Hi there YouTube and welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video guys, you know you boys gotta bring it for you guys. It's another market insight video on Sunday. I didn't produce a video yesterday because why? That buy that I called on Thursday did work out pretty good, so I don't want to interrupt in that setup that I did discuss with you guys. We can all already see that buy did work out pretty good right here, guys. That buy was a beautiful trade. But I can't leave you guys hanging there, so that is why I'm producing another video. I'm just waking up, guys, so bear with me. I can do this stuff closed eyes. So what we could see right now, guys, on our daily time frame perspective, right, we did basically starting to create a double bottom, right? A double bottom on the VIX75, right, is the most common reversal pattern, and also the inverted head and shoulders and the head and shoulders, right? So now we can see price did create this double bottom, and there we have a strong bullish engulfing candle to the upside. We can also see that price basically starting to respect this reason right here. So what we can expect right now from our daily time frame perspective is a price to break out of 693, right? So once we start to trade above the 693, we will have this clean range right here to the upside to 720. This 693, guys, it is a 4-hour area of resistance. So if we scale down to our 4-hour perspective just to see what price is basically starting to do right now, what I can see from the start, guys, is that we have a beautiful breakout and retest setup, right? We can see price basically starting to create this bullish variation. There we have also what we can see, an inverted head and shoulders, and their price continue to the upside. What can we expect once price starting to create the inverted head and shoulders? We can expect for price to retrace back. Here you guys can see this purple line. It is my 1 hour area of support. Right here you guys can see price respect at this 4 hour 693 reason. There we have a beautiful rejection from it, and their price come and retest this area and then continue to the upside. So now, guys, there's still opportunities for us to get into this trade, to get at least for price to give us a retracement back to this area and then continue to the upside. But what I will wait for right now, guys, is that on my 4 hour time frame perspective is for price to close above this 693 reason. Once price start to trade above a 69 reason, guys, we can expect for price to break out and then wait for our retracement back to this area. That is my 4 hour time frame perspective. But if we scale down to our 1 hour time frame perspective right now, what we could have seen is that we have a beautiful breakout and retest. We can also use a Fibonacci from this previous higher low point to this high new form of a higher high point right there. As you guys could see, price basically come really good into this area right here at 667. There we have a beautiful bullish engulfing. You could have taken entry right there and let this trade run and keep a stop under here, right? So now, guys, we can basically trying to get into this momentum once price is still basically now continue this momentum to the upside, right? And one thing that you can also expect, right, if price decide to change direction, right? We can expect price still to come for a steeper retracement, guys, right? We can still for price to come for a correction. If price decided to trade under this area here again, we can then expect for price to come for a steeper retracement back to our 618. But now with this momentum right here, guys, we can only expect price now to continue with this momentum here to the upside. So when will I become bearish again? I am bearish in the overall condition, right? Because why? You guys can see right here on my daily time frame, this is my lower high and this is my breakout of structure, and this is my form of a new lower low. So now, guys, I'm expecting price to retrace back to our 720 area. This is basically my selling trading range. So once we're trading in this range, we can do anything above in this range, guys, but I'm still going to be remain bearish on my daily time frame. But it doesn't mean that I will take the pullback to the upside, right? I will take advantage of the pullback to the upside, but what you must keep in consideration is that our daily time frame is still bearish from this lower high point to this lower low point. That is basically where we're trading on our bigger time frames. That is why we can take advantage of the counter trends on our smaller time frames. Right, for now the 1 hour is going to be a great catch for you to basically to see the overall market structure and condition to take positions to the upside. Right here you guys could see price breakout, retest, and continue to the upside. Now we can just basically expect price to come into this area right here. Last night I basically got trapped, guys. I basically took a sell position right here once I saw this bearish engulfing candle, and I got out of my trade. It was around here, right around here, because as I basically realized, okay, price basically respect this area of support and will now continue to the upside. And once price continue to the upside, we basically can see price basically starting to respect this area here again, right? This area right here, and create the bearish variation. And now I'm expecting price to continue to the upside, right? This was basically the area that I was waiting for price to come tap into here at 667. That is why I was just leaving this trade and let it run, guys. So I have some great news for you guys. So the great news is that I'm gonna show you guys how I can take a $40 account, right, to 2000. That is going to be my challenge that I will start during this upcoming week, guys. I hope you guys enjoying my breakdown videos, and I will show you guys how I implementing this type of trading style, guys. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, guys, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave your comments down below. It's your boy FXGK Millionaire, and I'm out.